Hello and welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we'll be doing our product assembly of our LSA-ROKR-BLA. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For our first step, we'll be needing one part A, one part B, two parts H, our bolt, and the provided Allen key. Let's go ahead and assemble now. Having a look at part A and B, you'll see they indicate the front sides. So when installing, we ensure both these labels are facing the same direction. Let's proceed to install. One more thing to mention, do not cut the straps. These are the supports when we install the cushion. For our next step, we'll be needing one part C, our primary cushion. Let's assemble now. Having a look, this is the front facing side. On the back, we have a large zip to insert our main frame. Let's do that now. For our next step, we'll be needing E and F, our armrest, as well as two parts M. Let's go ahead and assemble now. Taking a look at this side of the armrest, the actual rocking section. M has an adhesive backing. For our next step, we'll be needing one part D, two parts I, two parts G, and four parts K, the wooden dowels. Let's go ahead and assemble now. Taking our previous assemblies, you'll notice the mounting points here at the back. We'll insert our wooden dowels. Part D. You can hand tighten for the step. You will not be tightening all the way. For our next step, we'll be needing our 2 previous assemblies, as well as 6 parts J, our bolts, and the Allen key provided. Let's go ahead and assemble now. We want to use the head cushion top side on the upward curving arms. That's the top. So when we install, it'll sit like this. Let's insert our first bolt. Taking a look on the side, you'll notice there are openings for inserting the bolt. We'll match it up to this hole, and the hole underneath. We won't tighten all the way so that we can align all of the bolts. Thank you so much for watching the product assembly of our LSA-ROKR-BLA. Please visit us on www.lasa.africa for more product assemblies and more products. Thank you.